Ashby. ¿Qué pasa? What's up? What's going on? You got the keys. Yay! And you, Berkeley? What do you get there? The teething toy. And Ashby wants that one too. No. She wants to play with the keys. Yeah, play with the keys. Yes, yes. Las llaves. ¿Cuántas llaves tienes? How many keys do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 keys. You're playing so nice. Berkeley. 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 Hola. Hola. Hola, hola. That's a very nice smile. You girls are happy because you just ate. And you just woke up from your nap. That's right. Oh, Berkeley, she got her keys too. What are you doing, Berkeley? Oh, you got your keys. I can see your keys. Yeah. Oh. Hola, 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 hola. Ah. Peekaboo. Ah. Boo. Ah. Boo. Ah. Boo. Boo. Who are you gonna get? Uh-oh. Whoa! Oh, Ashley, she took away the keys. That's okay. Let's share the keys. Do you like the hair of the octopus? It's a colorful hair. You got both of the keys. Ashby wants to crawl. She wants to try to crawl. Here, Ashby. Let's see. You wanna come this way? Can you come this way? Come, please. Wanna crawl? Come this way. Here is your octopus. Look. Here is the book. That's too far, Rebella. Why are you doing that to me? Sorry. Here. Wanna look up your book? Ashley gets upset because she cannot reach her book. She got her keys back. Oh, you wanna play with the stars? Do you wanna play with the stars too, or you're happy with the keys? Are you happy with the keys? Yay! Yay! Okay. Ah. You wanna say bye with your hand? Bye bye. Ciao ciao. Whoa! That was a